Welcome to our deep dive into one of the most elite road machines ever crafted, the Cervélo R5. From the very first glance, the Cervélo R5 exudes pure racing pedigree. The aggressively tapered head tube, combined with a minimalist front profile, is designed to cut through wind resistance like a scalpel. The matte finish with sharp graphics adds a stealthy aesthetic that screams performance. The integrated front end keeps everything clean and aerodynamic, giving an edge on both appearance and function. You can immediately tell this is a bike built for elevation and speed. Its stance is poised and confident, ready to tackle alpine climbs or coastal descents. The R5 saddle setup is all about comfort without compromising race readiness. It features a sleek, lightweight carbon seat post that integrates seamlessly with the frame. The padding is minimal but strategically placed, offering just enough support for long-distance riders without adding bulk. The overall geometry ensures a centered riding position, ideal for optimal power transfer on steep climbs. Whether you're training or competing, the seat helps reduce fatigue and keeps you focused on the road ahead. It's a throne for serious riders, engineered with precision. The handlebars on the R5 are designed to offer unmatched control and comfort, especially on winding descents and sprints. They're slightly flattened on top for ergonomic grip and aerodynamics, and wrapped in high-tack bar tape to ensure maximum traction even in wet conditions. The cockpit is clean and neatly routed, with all cables internally concealed for a slick appearance. You can feel the stiffness when you pull on the bars during out-of-saddle climbs. It responds instantly. The width and drop are optimized for aggressive riders who like to push hard. It's not just about holding on. It's about commanding the ride. Equipped with powerful disc brakes, the Cervélo R5 gives you complete confidence in all weather conditions. The modulation is smooth and precise, allowing for slow control when feathering or full stopping power on technical descents. These hydraulic systems are seamlessly integrated, maintaining the bike's aerodynamic profile. Even under high-speed pressure, the brakes stay silent and responsive, thanks to high-end rotors and calipers. Whether you're descending a mountain pass or weaving through urban traffic, the braking performance is consistent and reassuring. Safety meets race day performance right here. Looking from the rear, the Cervélo R5 showcases its refined, race-tuned geometry. The slim stays and sculpted rear triangle are designed to absorb just enough road vibration while maintaining maximum rigidity. The dropout area is clean, and the rear disc brake caliper fits snugly into frame design, continuing the bike's sleek aesthetic. This view also highlights the subtle branding and the aerodynamic seat tube curvature that hugs the rear wheel. It's a picture of balance, elegant yet aggressive. From behind, it's clear this bike is ready to leave everything else in the dust. From the side, the Cervélo R5 reveals its true form, a masterpiece in carbon engineering. The ultralight frame appears featherweight, yet it's built to handle the immense power of pro riders. The angular lines and precisely sculpted tubes give it a muscular yet refined look, blending efficiency and elegance. You can see how every angle has been optimized for aerodynamic performance and stiffness. The slight slope in the top tube aids in comfort and control, especially on longer rides. In motion or at rest, the R5 looks fast because it is. The wheels on the R5 are a statement of speed and precision. Outfitted with lightweight carbon rims, they spin up effortlessly and maintain momentum over varied terrain. Paired with premium hub systems, they offer smooth rolling and near-silent operation. The tires are performance-oriented, offering excellent grip and low rolling resistance, perfect for high-speed descents and sharp corners. The wheelset complements the R5's climbing prowess while offering the confidence needed for sprint finishes. Every spoke, every detail is tuned for peak performance. They're not just wheels, they're an extension of the bike's soul. From front to back, the Cervélo R5 is a precision instrument for serious cyclists. Stay tuned and subscribe for more in-depth reviews of the world's most elite machines.